previous episode, I was hammering out this profile. If you remember, we assembled it to be the lower sill, which was rusted away. So if you can remember, it took me a whole day just to beat this into submission with a hammer. It was a lot of work to hammer it out with a hammer, and I was thinking if I've got a power hammer, if that would help. So I'm going to quickly build a power hammer and see if we can work with that. I have this I-beam, and I'm thinking of cutting out a piece here, mounting a air hammer on top here, and then we can use dies to shape the metal. So let's do it. Okay, this is what we've got at the moment here. I made this so that the power hammer can fit here, and we can lock it in with the screws. So this chisel will come in here, and I'll cut it shorter so that it will hit on top of the dies. So the dies will be here to shape the metal. I've made this die to fit over this bottom part, and then the top part will have this die that I have cut so that the shape is the same there, and that's the shape, this bottom part. This part will fit in here, drill the hole through there, and the die at the bottom fits here, and the power hammer will hit it like that. So I've cut this chisel so that it's shorter. This will now have to go inside here. Okay, this is what it looks like. So we'll test it. Just have to eat as well.